I think the biggest challenge for the industry is going to be them seeing it as the opportunity that it really could be for us. Historically, we've been kind of quite late to the party with some things, and we've needed a lot of pushing in order to take real ownership of these things, whereas sustainability, we've got an awful lot to contribute to. And I think if people just grab it and run with it, then we can really do the industry a favour by improving the reputation in a lot of areas.
Today we've held an event to look into our sustainability and our environmental green credentials. We're getting more of our consumers asking us for information on how our products are recyclable, how we're helping to reduce our carbon footprint. So today was a great opportunity to invite some of our key partners and suppliers.
I think one of the biggest challenges within the glass industry is educating and enabling our customers to be able to talk about the benefits and the appropriate and energy efficient options such as those in Saint-Gobain's comfort range.
We've had a really good, engaging roundtable debate on what each of us are doing in terms of our carbon footprints, in terms of making sure that our products are as recyclable as possible, and there's some really good positive outcomes that have come from it. There's some great information that we're all going to share in order to package some information that we can parcel and send to our trade customers so that they can engage and better inform with the end user, and hopefully improve the sustainability journey that we're all on.
I would say that the hardest thing is obtaining data, and it's the data and getting the values which are your key performance indicators. So whether that's your usage of energy, your usage of water, usage of chemicals, but also I'd say the data is the opportunity, because if you analyse the data instead of just collecting the data, it shows you where you can improve your business to improve your efficiencies.
Educating people. That's the biggest challenge, without a shadow of a doubt. Educating people to understand the benefits of using recycled materials. If you're replacing your windows, you need to be sustainably thinking what's happening with your old windows. Are they going to go back into the system? Are they going to be in the supply chain again? Is that circular economy known to the end user?
So I think our biggest opportunity for Saint-Gobain Glass is ultimately to really look at how we do things. So from the manufacturing process to product innovation, and also how that product performs. And ultimately, I think we've got a real opportunity here to just make the world a better home for all of us.